Hey friends, welcome back to this video. So most of the students have asked me, sir, how to revise each and every topic. Okay, sir, there are lot of formulas involved in it, lot of concepts are involved in it. So how to remember all the formulas and the concepts? Okay, so the answer to this question is that your textbook. Okay, your textbook is designed in such a beautiful way that after each and every topic chapter you will find a remember this section. Okay, this is a very important remember this section. Okay, this is the very important, you can give the 5 star to this because this section helps you to revise the whole chapter in just 30 minutes. Okay, क्या दिया है इसमें? You can find each and every data, each and every formula, each and every concept in this section. Okay, so if you have solved the topics, chapters, exercises, all the exercises, then you should not give you more than 30 minutes to this section. Remember this. Okay, ये जो आपके जो एग्जाम के पहले दिन जो काम में आने वाला सेक्शन है ना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस विल हेल्प यू फॉर द लास्ट मिनट प्रिपरेशन. Okay, so this is going to be very interesting video, I can say. Okay, so please watch this video till the end. I will show you how to make use of this section while solving the miscellaneous exercise. Okay, you will not get a single question out of this section, out of this remember this section. Okay, there are hardly 10 formulas, important formulas I will tell you. No need to remember each and everything. Okay, and it's my personal guarantee that you will not get a question which is outside this box, outside this box. Okay, ये जो बड़ा box है ना, remember this का, outside this box you will not get a single question. Okay, now let's see what all important formulas we have here. And remember that we have seen each and every formula, we have proved it, we have understood its concept and all. Okay, so let's jump and let's see what all important formulas we have here. Okay, so the first one is that the vector equation. This is what the basic standard equation of the plane. Okay, so it's r bar dot n bar equals to a bar dot n bar, where n bar is nothing but the normal vector and a bar is the point through which our plane is passing. Okay, so this is what we have the vector equation in the scalar product form. See, understand or remember these forms because the question may be like this: find the scalar product form of the plane. Okay, then you have to write down this equation only. No, you will not get the answer with this equation. Okay, so you have to remember in that way. Okay, then what we have is the important one is the equation of the plane passing through A. Okay, same, and the normal to the line having the direction ratios. So this is what the Cartesian form of your plane: ax minus x1b, y minus y1c, z minus z1 equals to 0. Okay, this is what the Cartesian equation is. Now let's see the next one. Again important one. So ये हो गया first, ये हो गया second. Now third one is what? It's the vector equation of the plane passing through a bar and it is having b bar and c bar on it. Then what is the equation? It's r bar dot b bar cross c bar is equals to a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Okay, this is the third equation. इसका ही भाई extension है. What is the extension? Is that the linear combination of vectors can be represented as lambda b bar plus mu c bar. And the most important part is what? It is known as the parametric form of the equation. Very important one. ये भी बहुत important. We have seen the questions based on all of these formulas. Okay. Then the next important one is what? Is the if the plane is having three non-collinear points a bar, b bar, c bar, then this is what the equation of a plane is. Okay, ये हो गया vector form है. Then Cartesian form, it is the simple one. This is what the Cartesian form is. What is that? It is the determinant of this x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 and so on. It should be equals to 0. Perfect. Next important part is the fifth one. Okay, सबसे ज़्यादा question इस पे आए भाई अभी तक. If you have seen, most of the questions have appeared from this section. Okay, this is known as the normal form of the plane. The equation of the plane at a distance p unit from the origin, important. Okay, to which the unit vector n cap is normal. Okay, that is the equation. This is known as a normal form of your plane. Okay, इसका ही भाई extension है यहाँ पे देखो. If L M N are the direction cosines, then what is the equation? This becomes the equation Lx plus My plus Nz equals to P. इसका फिर से एक extension है. This is what if n is the foot of perpendicular drawn from the origin, then what? The foot of perpendicular coordinates. We have seen this. I have proved how to get these coordinates, that is LP, MP and NP. Okay, so this is what the extension of this fifth formula. Now next, what is the sixth one is? ये भी important है भाई. Most of the questions have appeared from this section again. Okay, so what is that equation is? If you have two planes, this is the plane number 1, plane number 2, then if they are intersecting each other, okay, this is what the intersection is, then the plane passing through the intersection of these two planes is given by, this is what we have is r bar dot n bar plus lambda n2 minus d bar plus lambda d2 is equals to 0. Okay, and I have solved this question using the Cartesian form. Okay, do not go for this vector form, it is bit difficult. Okay, it is bit difficult, it's a difficult one. Okay, but this is the simple way in which you can find the vector equation in the Cartesian form, and of course we know that how to jump from the Cartesian to vector. Okay, so if you get the question on this section, convert this into Cartesian form, get the answer, again convert back into the vector form. Okay, we will see few questions again. We have solved so many questions during the exercises. Again in the miscellaneous we will solve few questions. Okay, these are the 6 formulas. Now next are what? ये तो बहुत simple है भाई. 7th formula क्या है? If you have the two planes P1 and P2 and their angle between them is given by cos theta. Remember this. And if you have the one plane and one line, then their angle between them becomes sin theta. Okay, very good. So this is n1 n2 by n1 bar dot n2 bar divided by n1 n2. So यहाँ पे instead of n you get the b. Everything remains same. cos को रिप्लेस करो sin से and एक n को रिप्लेस करो b से, where b is what? It's a parallel vector to your given line. Remember this. Okay, perfect. So next is what we have is the 8th one. दो 8th one क्या बोल रहा है? If r bar is equals to this and r bar is equals to, these are the two planes, and if the planes are coplanar, then we have the condition is this. If this is the true, then only I say the two given planes are coplanar planes. Okay, otherwise no, otherwise I cannot say these are the coplanar planes. Okay, and the equation of a plane is given by this r bar minus a bar dot b bar cross b bar, b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, ये तो हो गया भाई plane का. If the planes are coplanar, then this is what the condition and this is what the equation of the plane. What is the next and the last? I hope it's the last one. Yes, it's the last one. If we have the two lines, okay, if we have the two lines and those two lines are coplanar, if and only if this determinant is equals to 0. Okay, these two given lines are coplanar if and only if this whole determinant is equals to 0, and the equation of the plane, the equation of this plane, okay, is given by this. कुछ नहीं है, ये formula and ये formula both are exactly same. See, this formula and this formula both are exactly same. Okay, so x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. It should be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. It should be the formula like this. Okay, so x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Okay, and the equation of formula is what? X minus x1, y minus y1. अभी देखो भाई, equation of plane निकालना है आपको. So you should have the x y z coordinates. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको equal to 0 करना है तो आपको exact value चाहिए ना. वेरिएबल से 0 आ सकता है क्या? नहीं आ सकता है. ओके, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है थोड़ा सा, कोई बात नहीं. चलो, एंड द लास्ट वन इज, आई टोल्ड यू दैट देयर आर नॉट मोर देन 10 formulas. So these are the 10 formulas we have. The distance of a point A from the plane r bar dot n cap is equals to p is given by this. Okay, previously we have seen that the distance of origin, now the distance of point we have, which is a non-origin, it is given by mod of p minus mod of a bar dot n cap, it is equals to 0. That's it. These are the only 10 important formulas. No question will appear apart from this. Okay, so now we will stop here and we will see how to use this concept or this remember this section while solving the questions from the miscellaneous exercise or any exercises. Okay, great. So we will stop and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.